Joe Ebusia Ken Kobe King to the Kobe Sawatiasia ha Moma Yansha news ewo ho and nano pain so na yansha de aircall say yina nim say Ghana Premier League na to aso endra ma matches ni because so yansha games na score line ebeto dra yewia na ya share the who's leading the top scoring sheet no what say na ya share the league table so na ya should be a position baby edana ohwa game na to aso Saturday and I had to folk any dreams. I didn't candy see a kind by courage 2-2. So dreams at the 2 had to folk 2 or 2 as well. Mediama etna takwa etun safre Diana stars. If you know Mediama etimi etwat nabakwa Diana entumi antekano. Olympics etimi ball 2 goals at 11 wonders. Went to me like Olympics echo game no ewo sugako pay. And a bibieni goal stars and so now bibieni eshe 3. Karela etimu baako Karela mutukwa no nya astrotef de omuntumi mmo ena brekum Chelsea so etna brekum ehye Asante gold the minus no oshomu 1-0 ena yewo Bechem United ono so etimi share Kumasi Base Allergic Cruisers King Faisal 1-0 Sarah ena Kumasi Asante Kotoko so yeto nsa de fresh so gakupe boys no WAFA ewiche Baba Yara Sports Stadium no Richmond Lamptey ono nya ne second goal edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko ono na ball 1 goal ema Kotoko winning by 1-0 enti de tie wo ho about the games eba so endra no na wo hwe say no wo hwe yenhwe top scorers no hwa so far RTU more 1 game in hand endra ma nsi akan RTU among Black Stars material ayaton safreno David Abagna ono na lead goal king chart no or 8 goals Samson another Black Stars material also that number 2 a friend Maxwell Abekwe ono great Olympics ono 7 goals and another Black Stars material Fatal Ishaku ono also abo was 6 goals and Augustine Okra former Kumasi Asante Kotoko attacker on also etimi ashe 6 goals another Kotoko former player Emmanuel Jemfi on also ashe 5 goals inti ye fancy say and for top scorers no what I say inti the tell na ye wie ni say ye nhwe league table no say the after match week 10 ebi mo outstanding games also mo ball na wo after match week 10 na league table no say and akwaye hey yetete abitena ne channel no Asante Kotoko ehuru the first din about 9 matches or 1 game in hand but over 20 points or plus 8 goals sana Diana Stars and so that you din almost the same 20 points plus 8 goals King Faisal also 20 points and also plus 6 goals into check first trainer 2020 league ni one din what I say ba Kotoko 1 game in hand nyame na adom na so timeje ka ho a obetwim 3 points that's per this week no the tieno no and I will brekum Bechem United so that fourth Bechem United ye show mama for say ye bought cheap games mon share Bechem the fourth position or 17 points great Olympics at the fifth position or 16 points dreams mo say ye share dreams mo say ye body full mon share dreams position dreams or the entirely second team without a head coach card the boys so hard for me and show without Philemon Bafo ne Shaku Munyi na nim entirely second team no de be share so uni a mo ntumi an share what I say Dreams FC at the third position with 15 points Mediama so at the 7th position and also 15 points RTU Real Tamale United after my surprising for RTU almost at the 8th position with 14 points Bibiani Gold Stars almost 13 points more than the 9th position Ash Gold Dr. Kweku from Pong one nkwala no monkey come ho na ye kwa no Ash Gold at the 10th position with 12 points Brekum Chelsea 11th position or 11 points. Had to folk Omo 3 games in hand. Omo about 7 matches. Omo outstanding matches miensa. Omo that 12 position. Now outstanding matches miensa no, you are not guaranteed of winning all of them. Inti mo amudi muni ato so say mo 9 points be that baby no. Mo ndwin yi, mo anhye we na mo say mo 9 points a. Yo ya na ma gye na ya hwe. Mo akogye 9 points no. Say ya e ka ho. Munje. How to fuck that 12 position or 10 points. Karela United that 13th or 10 points. 11 wonders. Karela United that film performance na enkoye. 11 wonders at the 14 with 9 points. WAFA 15 position with 8 points. Accra Lions were 1 game in hand. And also about 9 matches, no, the 16 position or 8 points. Legon Cities and also 1 game in hand. And also the 17th position our 7 points. And a park we see Indum boys, no, Elmina Sharks, the Elmina boys, Omona Aswan, BIC or Mabiti, Omoda 18th position with just 7 points. Into the tier about the league table, so I don't know. Otu ansem no so ba Kotoko game no endra player ba ko bia eboni din Amankona Steven Amankona say say oya picking the form ni bi mu kra say ono ena mo be yi ni say man of the match, even though Richard Boadu Agadas ono na yi no say NASCO man of the match no award no ono na ekoma no say ono na ball no homodin endra pempin for na mo show mo share ni how mo timi access ni man no ono man rich, but most of the fans also say omo de bema Steven Amankona what you say enti the ete ewo ho no, most of the boys not performing well. Sherrif Mohammed say, you know, is one guy and also you should watch out for him. He's improving game by game. What you say? Into the ete ewo ho no. Yeah, quite other news are sad news be about so Algeria one sad news you see, and they say there is this footballer I feel your friend Sofiani Luka or 30 years no more Premier League match na ye hu de ye na play you could trash ye o collapse or park no so or mo ye son come be save in life or mo ye player no with me at one and no e won said o park no so we to me and sorry hu enti the tie one sad news on Algeria so no yemfa mun sia se me de kin ko be high far blues unsubscribe ya no subscribe ya ma me why ye de Kotoko next fixtures to us no be hu discussion ya bra mu for porcupines by porcupines.